So you just want to start with these organic chicken wings, right? The chicken party wings, you get them from Costco. Usually comes in a 3-pack, but we ate one of them already, so I'm just gonna make 2 of them. And usually 1 pack is enough, but if you're hungry, or if you're cooking for more than one person, maybe cook like 1.5 or 2, or you could even cook them all at once. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and just drain out all this juice and stuff inside this chicken wing pack. So I'm just gonna cut it open, and then just like take this and just hold this and drain out all this juice, right? So you can just squeeze all that stuff out. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just try and get out as much as you can. And once you're done, just stick it into the bowl. So I'm using one of these bowls. I'm just gonna dump them in. Right, so you just got your chicken wings in there. All right, so once you put your chicken wings in that bowl, all you need to do now is toss it with some olive oil and some Lawry's seasoning salt. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this, and just take that and dump olive oil in there. Just put a bunch in there, and don't worry about putting too much in there because it'll dry out. And the seasoning, same thing. Just put a bunch of seasoning in there. Shake it all around, all right? Once you're done with that, use your glove and mix it up. Okay? Put a little bit more. It's not enough. But once you're done, you've got the wings with the olive oil and the seasoning salt, and you're done. They're ready to go in the air fryer. So here I'm just going to put the chicken in the air fryer. And what you want to do here is just put it in there so that you have like one row, right? You're not doubling up on each other. So you can just put a bunch in here and make sure that it's not too packed, because you don't want it to you don't want to overpack it. Kind of here's what it looks like, right? One layer of it. And once you're done, you can just put it in the air fryer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it for a total of 30 minutes, but I'm going to do 15 minutes each. So I'm going to put it on 400 for 15 minutes. And then after that 15 minutes, I'm gonna flip them over, do another 15 minutes, and you're done. Okay, after 15 minutes, the timer's gonna go off. And all you wanna do is just go in here and flip them now. Just flip everything over on the other side. So you wanna flip it. And the reason you wanna do this is because you want crispy wings, right? You don't want soggy wings, and you don't want only one side cooked. So you wanna go in here, flip them after 15 minutes, and then just make sure that you got the other side looking good. And so what I've done is I've just kind of flipped it so that the side that was face down is now facing up. I'm gonna do the same thing now. I'm just gonna go back here, 15 more minutes. So what I like to do about 5 minutes before they're done is get my sauce ready, right? So you can eat because they smell so good. So I get this sauce right here. It's called Noble Made. You can get it on Amazon or at Whole Foods. And it's the hot buffalo one. And then I just put this in here with some ranch as well. So I'll just put a little bit of sauce in here, get it ready for dipping. Get some of this hot sauce. This is the best one. The sauce makes a huge difference, I'm telling you. Do not go to the store and get like the regular sauce. Go and get this. Invest in a bottle of this, or I'll send you a bottle and try it out. Okay, after the timer comes off, you can just pull it out and take a look. They should be crispy brown like that. You see that? That means that they're done. If they're too light or they're not too crispy, then you need to cook them a little bit longer. If you cook your wings right, they should be crispy and brown like this. Now you got the chicken wings, they're done, and some buffalo sauce and some ranch. It's good to go.